How to use the Quick Notes Manager. The Quick Notes Manager, kind of a sticky notes or similar application, is right here. Is this icon. So you have 8 areas to put notes, essentially unlimited notes. We are in area number 1. If we want to edit the label, we can put, to do, even though we have a task manager, but let's say that you put to do here, and you can click edit label and click here other things, like for example important numbers or something like that, numbers, etc. You can have 8. So you see when you click on one, it changes here. Things to buy could be another one, for example, to buy, as a reminder of things to buy. So once you select the label by clicking on it, you can type. Okay, so you can type whatever you want. Also, from here you can go to the links and to the link manager that we covered in another video. So I'm not going to cover that. You can look in the other video, but it goes directly to the link manager. Or have kind of a links here. It's like a mini link manager. And so here you can have unlimited links also. Pretty much the same concept like we explained in the other videos. So let's say that you have here Google, and then you have here Google, for example, and that is a link, and you can run it by clicking this one. But most importantly, you can also run the group. You can have groups here. So let's say that this group, I'm going to put B or S for search engines. Let's say, and I'm gonna add another one, and I'm gonna put here Bing, and what is important here is that you can run the group, meaning that you can click this button and open these two. Well, whatever is selected, 1, 2, any number, of course. If it is too many, well, probably you're gonna run out of memory in your browser, but it's a browser problem. And so you can select the groups by clicking this. The program asks you, you're gonna select the group or the letter of for example, let's say that I'm gonna click B for Bing, and I select letter. You see I select that. But if I select S and I go to the group, then I can do from all or from selected, etc., and I can have these two. So this is really useful. You can go back obviously to the notes, so back and forth, and keep working on your thing, and you can keep your notes here. Really useful. Explore these things, for example, to enter the today's date at cursor. There is a nice thing, easy way to enter your the date of today. Very easy to use, and so try it.